interesting thing with the natives is that for this field the leaf is smaller. There's other fields that have larger leaf, and each leaf is actually different, so it becomes a natural blend in the field itself already. So it's the same day, also the 8th of May, that they had a little bit of frost damage here. And so you see a few of the leaves.
That's what it does.
完全に収穫できない畑とかもあったんですか？あります。あります。So there's a few fields that are just completely damaged that they can't harvest anything of. So they're planning on pruning the bushes first before summer, and then have the second harvest from that field.
普通のね、みんなみたいないい畑だとあれなんですよ。もうすぐ今落とさはるんですけども、僕のとこそんなパワーがないから。はい。ちょっと太陽光浴びて栄養を取らしてから収穫ないと。
So the fields that they have are not as powerful as other fields, and so they're first gonna let them see some sunlight to get some energy, and then gradually cut the bushes down, because otherwise they're just gonna be too weak. Roller coaster ですね。
冬場はこういう笹を刈り取って入れるんです。
And in winter he cuts these bamboo shoots, and then also uses them as a fertilizer. The toughest thing for organic production is that you have to pull out weeds all summer. And so the more fields you have, the more weeds you have to pull. And by the time you've pulled out 3 rows, the upper row is already growing back full with weeds. So instead of having his kids do summer school work, he has them work on the field. But they don't really work. They only take out the bugs and play with them. 行きましょう。The strong wind has pulled the covers off, and so now he has to reattach them. He thinks it's a good field, and it's already been in unused for about 5 years.
Wow.
So it should be, well, absolutely organic already. The only thing he needs to be able to do it is the people. Well, the people from the city are they want things too fast, so they don't have patience. And so a field like that would take too much effort to rebuild, and you can only get tea from it 3 years, 5 years from now. And of course, if you come here, you want to make tea now, not 5 years from now. So they look for someone who's quitting now, and whose field they can take over now, so they can make tea from it now. So you have to work 3 or 4 years maintaining that field, and you have no income from it. So that's what makes it difficult.